My name is Ian McLean and I'm a solicitor and notary public at Ken MacDonald Co in Stornoway. A large part of my work involves dealing with power of attorneys, and we at the firm are suitably qualified on giving advice on such matters. A power of attorney is a legal document whereby an adult over the age of 16 can give power to an attorney or attorneys for welfare and financial powers in the event of the adult becoming incapacitated. A power of attorney is very important to have in place, and there are many misconceptions about people having power of attorneys and people not having power of attorneys. A power of attorney welfare side only comes into point when the adult loses capacity, and once the adult loses capacity, that's when the power of attorney takes effect for the welfare side. The financial side can take effect immediately upon registration or when the adult loses capacity. A power of attorney is vitally important, as a misconception is that family members, especially spouses, can deal with matters on behalf of a loved one without a power of attorney, but that may not be the case. It is important that a power of attorney is taken when the adult has capacity and knows what they are doing and making the right decision for themselves. If a power of attorney is not in place and the adult loses capacity, then it may be that a member of the family will have to apply to the local sheriff court to apply for a guardianship order, and this may be time consuming and may take a couple of months for the guardianship order to be granted. A power of attorney is different to a will in that a power of attorney is a document that takes effect when the adult is alive and not when the adult passes away. A will is different. A will is devised when the adult is alive and have capacity, but only takes effect when the adult passes away. It's a misconception that because a person has a will and is appointed an executor that a power of attorney is not needed, but that is not the case. They are entirely two separate documents. The power of attorney ceases upon death and the will takes effect from death. If you would like further information about powers of attorney, or if you would like to instruct our firm on making a power of attorney, we would be delighted to see you, and we could take instructions and arrange an appointment. We have qualified staff who would take instructions and also staff who speak Gaelic if you would rather. We regularly travel to Uist taking instructions for any legal matter, but in particular powers of attorney, and we offer home visits or appointments at a designated place. We also intend to